don't like to dance, which I understand. However, from the band world, whenever I have a marching competition going on, the one person who's not moving when everyone else is moving is the person everybody stares at. Because if you're watching a group and you see one person not moving, everybody's eye is going to go to you. So if you're a person that doesn't like to dance, you're actually going to attract more attention not dancing than if you would dance.
Yep.
Alright, stand up then. Let's do it right. Because you're going to dance.
Even if you're half dancing, you're going to get by with less people watching you than if you're just still as a statue.
Yep. Hey, listen, we're going to do it 2 times each one, and the third time you're going to turn and face that way.
I mean, don't we want to?
Alright, so we're doing the theme song first. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hit it, Marshall!
Marshall's hanging. Jesus as our guide. Watch us.
Creation, he made the world corruption. We fell in sin, catastrophe, confusion. What a mess! Christ and the cross, he came to save us. Consummation, he will make all things new. Bring down the journey, he forged through the lines. From Genesis to Revelation, see God's design. Bring down the journey, we keep our feet dry. Bring down the journey, with Jesus as our guide.
Good job, y'all.
Good job! I know we're gonna do admit belief.
Hey, take it to
Hey, go take it to Sarah. Go take it to Miss Sarah. No, don't go in there. Take it to Sarah. She has the other jar. All right, turn back around. Now we're gonna admit belief. Very serious.